so I've come down to Worthing and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a sketch of the beach huts. I've decided I'm going to do the back of the beach huts because I want to get the sea in the background. So I'm going to start off here. The weather might start raining any second now, so I might have to finish, but I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can. And we're doing number 70 beach hut. Okay, so I'm just using a normal 3B pencil. I'm not doing much in the way of planning because it's going to chuck down any second. Might have some rocks down here and some grasses coming up. And then we've got other beach huts around here. I had to take refuge in the hut because it started bucketing down, so not quite so, well, still plein air, but I'll just do this and I'll show you the end result. Okay, so I have finished the beach huts from the beach hut because it's been raining. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Done a little bit of grass at the foreground. So just a quick sketch. Only took about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Yeah, so hopefully that's good to go. I'll just wait for that to dry.
So here we are, the finished beach huts with a nice blue sky. Not reminiscent of the day itself. I think the blue sky does add extra sort of cheerful quality to it, so I'm happy with that. I do really like painting stormy skies too, and that would have been quite good fun today too. Perhaps I'll have to do another one. There are some things that I would probably change if I had had a bit more time, but these little sketches, plein air, they're just a very quick impression of what I'm seeing out and about, just to capture a moment and a memory. I think if I was to change anything, I would add just a little bit more shading and shadow in the shadow areas. But there we are, beach hut's done. I am really hoping that the weather improves here in the UK so that I can venture out and do a little bit more painting and not get soaked. Meanwhile, thank you very much for watching. If you could subscribe and like this video, I would be very grateful. Thank you.